Hi, it's your boy Sadu or Dwayne, and in this video we're going to be making rocket science. Literally, we're going to be making rocket science.
Earth, our home, warm and cozy. But when we look up to the stars, we wonder, is there anything more than just our planet? Are we the only intelligent life? Are we just some speck of dust?
Well, to answer these questions, humanity tried to reach the outer space. Well, spoiler alert, we did. With the help of science and engineering, we, the humanity, created a rocket ship to travel the cosmos, to explore the universe, and probably put some satellites in the orbit or something, I don't know, so we can watch television. Now, unfortunately, we're not going to be making a model rocket ship. I'm not that rich, I'm not allowed to go outside because I'm gonna die. So, what we are gonna do instead is create a model rocket engine and see how it works. Now, if you're just a mere child watching this video, then if you're gonna do this experiment, I advise you to get a guardian, make them sit right next to you. Yeah, let them watch you make this experiment. And if something did happen, make them handle it, and you go over to the corner and have a traumatic experience.
Here are the materials. You have your jar, and make sure to put a hole in the lid big enough for the oxygen to flow through. Then you have your oxidizers, which are the yeast and the hydrogen peroxide. Then your pasta as the fuel. Preferably use rigatoni because it has a large enough hole and they have a good balance when it sits upright.
How does our pasta rocket or rocket engine actually works? Well, you have two parts of this rocket engine. First, you have your fuels, which in this case is the pasta noodle, preferably rigatonis because they have huge hole and good balance with them. And second is our oxidizer, which will help us create our pure oxygen. So you're probably asking, how does our oxidizer work? Well, here's your answer. First, you have your yeast, which contains a protein called catalase. Now, if you mix that protein with our hydrogen peroxide, then it's gonna make a chemical reaction which is gonna create water and our pure oxygen. So if you put it in a jar with a hole on top of its cover, if you mix both yeast and hydrogen peroxide, then you're gonna have a chemical reaction. If you're having the chemical reaction, with the bubbling, quickly put the lid on and then put your pasta noodle on top of the hole facing upwards. Make sure it is balanced well. Wait, let me get. And if you set it on fire, that is going up is reacting to that fire and thus creating your fuel. So there you have it. That's how our experiment basically is gonna be happening. So let's see if it actually works or not. I just watched it on YouTube and I'm hoping it works. I hope it does. Whew. I'm super scared. If this lighter blows out of my hand, then well, shit. So let's actually do our experiment. Now, grab your hydrogen peroxide, put it in. I'm filling it up. I'm filling it up. That's actually okay. Now have your yeast. Probably get a spoon and just. Is this enough? I think so. Mix that bad boy in. It's supposed to be creating some oxygen, some reaction. Yes, it's going, it's rising. Quickly close the lid. Put your pasta on top. Burn it. So if you actually started it, it should create fire. It's going. Oh, we're creating fire. Holy shit. Yes, we're creating fire right now. Holy shit, that's a lot. And if you can see, that's pretty much how a rocket engine works. I don't know why I'm screaming. I'm just super excited that this actually works. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it burn. Probably gonna smell in this room, but that's okay. Our experiment works. Okay, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's pretty much how a rocket engine works. Oh, that was actually crazy. It's my first time playing with fire. So yeah, that's our rocket engine. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. I'm gonna get in trouble, but anyways, I do hope I get a good grade with this. I do hope you learned something from this. So yeah, we're actually done. So basically what just happened, let me repeat. We have our oxidizers and our fuel, which is our pasta. So yeah, we've created pure oxygen flow through the pasta. We burned it with a lighter. We created the fire that's going in one direction. So yeah, that's it for our experiment. That's it for our experiment. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, that's the video. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna get in trouble for this